Hello everyone, class 8 GK. So today we revise chapter 11 Profiles in Excellence India. So in this chapter there are famous personalities are there. Name the excellences of to complete each sentence. First number है आपका A.R. Rahman is a composer, singer, songwriter, music producer and philanthropist. Second number Medha Patkar is a social activist known for her role in Narmada Bachao Andolan. Third number, Amjad Ali Khan is a classical musician who plays the sarod. Fourth number, Kiran Bedi is a social activist and first woman officer in India Police Service. Fifth number, Virat Kohli is the first cricketer to score 3 consecutive centuries as a test captain. Shiv Kumar Sharma is a Santoor player often referred to by the title Pandit. Daisy Thomas is the key scientist for Agni V missile in DRDO, Hyderabad. She is the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. 8th number, Dr. Malaswamy Amendurai is a scientist working at ISRO and serve as project director of Chandrayaan first and Chandrayaan second. 9th number आपका होगा Mugara Yamni Krishnamurthy is an eminent Indian dancer of Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi style of dancing. 10th number Pandit Birju Maharaj is a renowned Kathak dancer and the leading exponent of the Kalka Bindhani Gharana of Lucknow. 11th number Harish Hande found as Selco, a leading solar technology firm, and so far installed solar systems in a more than 1,25,000 homes. 4th number Lata Mangeshkar is the undisputed melody queen of Bollywood. So स्टूडेंट्स ये आपके एक्सीलेंस प्रोफाइल्स के कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं, इनको ध्यान से पढ़िएगा। उनके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है, डिस्क्रिप्शन को अच्छे से पढ़ के आपको उनका नाम लिखना है। फिर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है आपका ग्रेट इंडियन साइंटिस्ट चैप्टर 12। यहाँ पर कुछ साइंटिस्टों की पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं और उनके बारे में लिखा है, जिसको पढ़ के हमें उनका नाम लिखना है। फर्स्ट में होगा हरगोविंद खुराना, received Nobel Prize in 1968 in physiology or medicine. He became the first scientist to synthesize artificial genes in living cells. आ सकता है ये किसने किया था, है ना। आर्टिफिशियल जीन सिंथेसाइज लिविंग सेल पर किसने किया था, तो इसका आंसर आप लिख सकते हैं हरगोविंद खुराना। सेकंड नंबर डॉक्टर होमी जहांगीर भाभा इज़ नोन एज द चीफ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द इंडियाज न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम। इनको चीफ आर्किटेक्ट के नाम से भी जाना जाता है इंडिया के न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम्स के। थर्ड नंबर सुब्रमण्यम चंद्रशेखरा received the Nobel Prize in 1983 for his research on the evolutionary stages of massive stars. Fourth number Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man of vision known as the Missile Man of India. He was a notable scientist and engineer. He was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. Fifth number Anil Kadorkar is a nuclear scientist and recipient of Padma Bhushan Award 2009. He was the chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India. Sixth number C.V. Raman was the first Indian scientist to receive the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his pioneering work on scattering of light. Seventh number J.C. Bose was an eminent physicist and botanist. He invented seismograph through which he measured plant response to various stimuli. Eighth number Vikram Sarabhai was a scientist and innovator. He is widely regarded as the father of Indian space program. Ninth number Meghnad Saha was an astrophysicist. He is the best known for the research in nuclear physics, cosmic ray and spectrum analysis. 10th number Satyendra Nath Bose was a physicist famous for theory of Bose-Einstein condensate, which deal with the detection of a group of nuclear particles named after him as boson. So students, यहाँ ये रहा आपके कुछ ग्रेट इंडियन साइंटिस्ट की डिस्क्रिप्शन के बारे में। उनके कुछ नेम्स हैं जिसको आप लोग अच्छे से रीड करिए, पढ़िए। इसमें कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें भी दी गई हैं, है ना। उनकी पोजीशंस के बारे में, वो किस पोस्ट में थे या किस पोस्ट में है, उन्होंने किस फील्ड में काम किया, किस चीज़ के ऊपर काम किया, किसके लिए उनको नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला। तो इस तरह से इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा हुआ है, इसको ध्यान से रीड करिएगा, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करिएगा। तो स्टूडेंट्स, Prepare well, learn well. Thank you and have a nice day.